do YouTube, bring you guys another video with the Malibu. And here's what we're gonna do. Plain simple look, but I want to tint these tail lights. The things you'll need is your vinyl tape, some soap and water, some rubbing alcohol, 2 rags, and a little squeegee, and your jacket light. So what you want to do first is clean it up with soap and water. Make sure you get the very edges of it. What you want to do next is get your rubbing alcohol. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to open the trunk because it has 2 different tail lights. You want to go ahead and measure it. Once you measure it, you want to make sure you're off like about 3 inches off the tail light. So what I'm going to end up doing first is laying it on this part, the edge it has. I went ahead and switched the angle for you guys so you guys get a better view. Apply it on the trim first. You see this little curve line? Try to get it onto that. You want to get your squeegee. Squeegee it in. To get these little air bubbles, all you have to do is really just lift it up, heat it up, and stretch it out a bit. Just heat it up a little bit. It doesn't have to be 1,000 degrees up to it. Best to go ahead and start on the flat side and then you get onto the curvy side. In my instance, this is my easiest side. Every vehicle has a different side where it may be much easier to start with. Your little center curve all the way lined up. What you want to do next is heat up this part and flatten this like this. Now that we got this curve, we're going to work this way. It's looking good. I just need the little top piece and we should be right through it. Once you're in this step, now you want to cut it on the trim like close as you can to the actual tail lights. This can either be your most satisfying part or the most scariest part if you didn't cut it right. And for the last piece of it, just heat up the corners, make sure everything's pretty fresh. Heat it up real thoroughly, that way it wraps around the tail light. The piece of my ducktail actually fell off, so it's supposed to originally be like this. This piece fell out, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and glue it back. But I'm gonna go ahead and order a different ducktail. You gotta let me know, should I keep it or I'm gonna just glue this back meanwhile. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put some gas. So why wouldn't I bring y'all with me? Let me get y'all's guys' opinion. How y'all feeling this interior? Yeah, I like it, I dislike it. What do y'all think I should do different into this vehicle, like interior wise and exterior wise or engine wise? Honestly, on this trim, I'm really kind of falling back towards heading to just removing this, because I want to add some LED lights. Basically everything that you see red, put a LED strip. Which one would you guys recommend? I've heard several of the products wear out too quickly. Just let me know if y'all know any good brands to invest in. Also, I need to add an intake on this. I gotta hear that turbo. Also, I want to change these seats, but that's till later. I'm still looking into what color or upholstery should I actually hit up for this. Gray cloth. These get dirty real easily. Drop down in the comments, do you guys rather just installation videos, DIY videos, or do you want to see like me actually bringing you guys with the actual Malibu? I'll just go ahead and fill her up. You know we gotta go with the plus. See that tail light. Been kind of raining this past 2 weeks, so that's why I haven't been able to drop a video for you guys. $21. So I went ahead and brought you guys to a little parking lot. You can see it's real dirty. The car's so dirty, bro. It's like the finished product on it. Check it out. I got a quick question for you guys. Y'all know how this has the reverse light. What do you guys think is best? To cut out the white pieces out and just leave the white hanging out? You guys let me know. And I will be dropping a video on this red Malibu red line very soon. It's just been raining lately. I haven't really had the chance to give y'all a clean look, because I want to wash it first before I even give you guys a little tutorial on it. Something I want to share with you guys, because believe me, it looks clean. Should I do the calipers? Should I do the rims? I'm actually gonna do both at the same time. Might as well. If I have the tires off, might as well get the job done. I got 2 birds with 1 stone, you feel me? Do you guys enjoy me bringing you guys around, or do y'all just want the DIY tips? I also want to do an exhaust, but so far I've just been looking at old cat resonator deletes. Do it straight pipe. Drop a comment down below if you have any other ideas to do to the vehicle that I might have missed. If you have any questions about the Tint. So if you did enjoy this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. I got nothing else to say to you guys. Other than that, I'm out. Peace.